We are a family of experienced contractors dedicated to delivering top-quality construction and remodeling services to homeowners in all Bay Area. Founded in 2009, our company has a long history of delivering exceptional results to our customers. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail, our professionalism, and our commitment to customer satisfaction. Our team is made up of skilled craftsmen who are experts in their respective fields. We handle every aspect of your project with the utmost care and attention to detail, from the initial consultation to the final walkthrough. Whether you're looking to build a new home, renovate an existing one, or add an addition, we have the skills and expertise to make it a success. We use only the highest quality materials and the latest techniques to ensure that your project is built to last. If you're in need of construction or remodeling services in Bay Area, CA, we encourage you to give us a try. We are confident that you will be satisfied with the level of service and quality that we provide. Thank you for considering us for all of your construction and remodeling needs. We look forward to serving you.